My name is Jackson Walwa. I work with Vodacom Tanzania as Head of Strategy, Insight and Customer Value Management. To start with how predictive analytics is relevant, we have a number of use cases, and the core of it is in terms of understanding our customer behaviors. So by knowing the behavior of customers, we can really position our bundles given what the customer behavior is. And also, in terms of sales, if we are able to predict among our 25 million customers, which customers are more likely to buy from us tomorrow, that gives you a lot of insight. That means you can forecast your sales, but also you can proactively contact those customers who are not going to buy.